Becoming wealthy requires, no, actually demands split personalities or archetypes. Most people think through problems like a single voice in a noisy crowd, emotional, reactive, disorganized. But the ultra wealthy, well, they convene internal boardrooms, they consult inner archetypes. That is, they weigh perspectives as if they are sitting at a real board table. Now, an internal boardroom is a structured mental model where you access different facets of your cognition, like internal advisors, each representing a unique lens or function. We have the operator, looks at logistics and systems, the visionary, who projects into the future, the skeptic, who spots blind spots and risk, the capitalist, who optimizes capital efficiency and leverage, and the philosopher, who anchors actions to values and long term meaning. Now, this isn't fantasy, it is cognitive architecture, the internal decision model of the elite thinkers, investors, and builders. Now, every billionaire you admire has one thing in common, and no, it is not a private jet, neither is it a family office. It is something far more powerful, and that is a well run internal boardroom. And so we will break down how the ultra wealthy think through complexity, chaos, and high stakes decisions. Not with emotions, but with clarity. Because when the stakes are high, the quality of your inner dialogue is your greatest asset. Now, wealth creation isn't about solving easy problems, it is about navigating layered multi stakeholder complexity. Here is why the internal boardroom works. It reduces noise. Instead of 100 thoughts screaming, you have 5 to 6 deliberate voices in order. The objective here is it avoids cognitive overload. Complexity is simplified through categorization. You don't feel overwhelmed. You process it structurally. High level pattern recognition. Each internal advisor has seen different kind of data, which when combined, they form superior meta decisions. This is how high performers outperform. They don't just act faster, they think deeper without drowning. Your decisions are only as good as the internal counsel you consult. So, who is sitting in your boardroom? Let's break down a billionaire level internal board. We have the operator, grounded in reality, always asking, what are the facts? What is the next logical action? The visionary, who paints the future, considers legacy, future market moves, geopolitical shift. The capital allocator, who speaks in ratio, Sortino, asymmetric upside, downside protection. The philosopher, who asks, why does this matter? Anchors your ambition to meaning. The warrior, who helps when the path is unclear or hard, protects your momentum. The dissenter, which is the devil's advocate, punches holes, think about what everyone else is missing. Imagine if every decision in your life or business had been filtered through this caliber of internal thinking. Now imagine doing this every day. Now, this isn't just a theory, it is a practice. And here is how to run your internal boardroom session. Name the decision or dilemma. Example, should I exit the business now or reinvest or scale? Call the meeting, sit in silence, open a blank page, and write from each internal voice. The operator, this is what the data tells us. The visionary, in 10 years, what would this look like if it works? The capital allocator, what is the risk adjusted return profile? The philosopher, which option aligns with who I want to become? The warrior, which move keeps my fire lit? The dissenter, what am I not seeing? Weigh and decide. Make the call after all voices are heard, not just the loudest or the most emotional. Debrief plus refine. Reflect on which voice is underdeveloped or dominating. The best internal boardrooms are balanced and upgraded over time. Elite thinkers treat this practice like a gym, not a one time exercise. Now, how do you build this into your daily system? Morning journaling, internal boardroom prompt of the day, major decisions, call a full session, partner conflict, use the philosopher plus the center, investment, let the capital allocator plus visionary drive, not fear. Over time, you'll become immune to panic, noise, and indecision because you have built structure inside your own mind. This is how the ultra wealthy handle chaos. They don't escape complexity, they outthink it. And it all starts here in the internal boardroom. You don't need more hacks, you need better mental governance. You are the architect, the chairman, the strategist. Run your mind like the boardroom it is, and the outside world will start to respond to your clarity. Subscribe for more.